Deep depression. Always feeling emotional. I hate my life. Every evil just happens to me sexually. Frustrated and confused. I hear voices.
Sadness and loneliness.